Alright, what's up guys? So I have an update on Avax here for you guys. So first of all, look at the daily here, the daily B Pro. What I would love to see here on the daily is a bullish signal, and we're probably going to get that in quite soon, right? So that's on the daily. It's looking very good on the daily. We hit this trend line area, we hit the long RLC area. It kind of looks like we're bouncing up this area and then creating a high time frame around the bottom with a daily stochastics bottom as well. So it's looking very good here on the daily. And on the 4 hour, we just had a bull signal on the 4 hour B Pro with the break of that 50% level and that resistance area. What I am looking for is I want to see Avax come down here. There's a lot of FOMO. I mean, I'm watching the we got the Nest Club chat in the Bird Nest. There's a lot of FOMO. I'm telling you guys, be patient. Wait for this this rounded retest, because that is the best possible entry. Now you might miss that trade, you might miss that entry, but looking at this trade right here, looking at the trend, you might be able to get in on a higher low on the 4 hour, a bit higher, and the risk to reward might be better if you let price develop some. But right at this current moment, the best possible entry for me would be around the 94 or 95 area for Avax, and that is what I'm looking at, right? So I'm looking to see a break and retest around the retest on the 4 hour of the breakout area, which is the area around 95k. So that's it. This is potentially a very good trade. It could definitely run, especially if Bitcoin starts reclaiming the range EQ and weekly open. We might see something like this, right? So if that happens for Bitcoin, yes, Avax will run. So, but let's be patient. Let's wait for a retest or breakout level or a higher low on the 4 hour. All right, guys. Take care.